This is the Insta360 X3 and I have some amazing footage that I got the last couple of weeks. I'm your host Mauro and let's get straight to this Insta360 adventure. One of my favorite types of shooting with this camera is reproducing some angles that wouldn't be possible with any other normal camera. But this 360 camera allows me to do that. Just like this 3-meter pole extending out of my spider and get that GTA 5 looks in a matter of seconds. With the Insta Snow bundle you will be able to mount your Insta360 X3 in really different places where on snow. Well, sadly we are in May and the snow melted, but I have a solution for that. I have adapted my snow kit to my motorcycle helmet and got that interesting POV video when driving along, and get a different extra reach for an interesting perspective. And arm is really lightweight. With the handle arm I am able to have that free riding experience and get some interesting angles while riding on my motorcycle. Well, scooter. It's really simple and easy to install. No drones, no problems with this 3-meter extension arm. Even in the middle of the city you are able to film as high as 5 meters. If you extend your arms and extend your reach with your body, you will be approximately having a 5 meter of altitude to actually reproduce a bird eye view drone shot. We'll get a ton of additional mounts with the snow kit to have the Insta360 mounted wherever you want. You will be getting 2 double-sided adhesive stickers. One of my favorite accessories on the snow kit bundle is the chest mount. Yes, you will be worry-free and actually really safe while filming in this position and get that ski biking downhill experience without any problems. Yes, I filmed that with my Insta X3 also using this chest mount. If you want to protect your Insta360 X3 lenses, the sticky lens guard will help you out, and be sure you don't manage the 2 lenses. The Insta360 third-party manufacturer makes small adapters and cold shoe mounts extension for more versatility on your Insta360 X3. Okay, so let's have this Insta360 analyzed in all the settings and new amazing features that they built in. Bigger 2.3 touchscreen filling up a good portion of the front side. Brand newly designed half-inch sensor with 72 megapixel photos. Single lens option with the different wide angle options. Up to 4K 30 frames per second. Loop recording and Me mode. The single lens mode with the invisible selfie stick. This added feature will help you export your completed video faster because it's in an MP4 format and you don't have to process it through the Insta Studio or Insta app. Easier and faster way to get your videos done in a matter of seconds. This time we have an added button on the front with a customizable function, and also an added button on the side with the quick menu settings. On the Insta X2 we have just one button on the front and the power button on the side. So you can switch on the front and with the favorite modes on the Q button on the side. That will help you customize some of the quick menu settings and make custom quick access settings that you can recall with just one click. The new update allows you to use the Insta X3 as a webcam, also having the camera zoom in and reframe you while following your face, in a single lens mode. In the audio settings you're easily able to choose more audio recording options, wind noise reduction, direction focus that allows the camera to increase the sensitivity and direct the pickup sound from the direction of which it arrives. Yes, there are 4 built-in microphones. If you're an external microphone lover, well, you can attach the microphone adapter and use any 3.5 adapter, either wireless or wired, and get even more focused audio. The powerful 360 Insta app eases your way on editing the 360 footage and actually gives you a ton of possibility. And you can use it in your smartphone or using the 360 Studio on your computer. And yes, for an extended editing session, I really prefer the Studio program. Editing will be easy whatever app you choose, and reframing is easy and simple. Let's get to some additional footage that I shot with the Insta360 App. As I'm a long-time user of the Insta360, this Insta360 is a complete clear evolution, helped me out to reach new possibilities with the added features, new sensors and options. This will be my new action shooter, first BTS shooter. Yes, this will be here to stay, being my second shooter and second BTS camera. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer all of them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.